What is JavaScript local storage domain scope? Imagine you're browsing the web and want to save some information on a website so it stays there even after you close the tab or refresh the page. That's where JavaScript local storage comes in. It's a tool that lets websites store data right in your browser using key-value pairs. But here's the interesting part. This stored data isn't accessible everywhere. It's limited by something called domain scope. Domain scope means the data is tied to the specific origin of the website. The origin is made up of three parts: the protocol, the domain name, and the port number if it's used. For example, if you visit a site at example.com, the data stored there can only be accessed by pages from the same origin. If you try to access that data from example.com or subdomain.example.com, it won't work. This restriction keeps your data safe and private, preventing other sites from peeking into your stored information. This security feature is built into how browsers handle local storage. It makes sure each website's data stays isolated. So, if you save user preferences or session details in local storage, only pages from that exact origin can read or change it. If your website uses multiple subdomains or switches between HTTP and HTTPS, you'll need other ways to share data, like server-side storage or messaging between windows. In real life, this means if you build a web app and save some user settings, those settings are only available to pages from the same domain. For example, data saved on shop.example.com won't be accessible on blog.example.com. This domain-based restriction helps keep your data secure and organized. It's a simple but powerful way browsers protect your information while still letting websites store useful data locally. Understanding this scope is key when planning how to store data in your web projects. It helps you decide whether local storage is right for your needs or if you should consider other storage options. Just remember, local storage is great for keeping data within the same website or subdomain, but it won't share data across different sites or protocols without extra steps.